मोदी की दोस्ती हुई, नेतन्याहू मोदी की दोस्ती हुई, दोनों की देखो दुकान खुल गई, अरे दोनों की देखो दुकान खुल गई, हथियार और शिकार की अदला और बदली, हथियार और शिकार की अदला और बदली, खुजला रहे वो एक दूसरे की खुजली.
You read something from the phone. What was that?
Oh, I read a piece by a Palestinian in Gaza documenting the experience of living through genocide. And this was in the early months of the genocide. And I've been thinking today, what would that person say, realizing that on the one hand they're recording for themselves, but also the world is seeing it and doing nothing.
People can do in the face of fascism. We have to protest. It is not an alternative. This is the only way we enforce democracy.
Witnessing a genocide online for so many of us has been very heavy emotionally, and it carries a lot of grief for us, a lot of pain, a lot of anger, and so many of us feel very helpless because there's nowhere that we can voice that anger, voice that pain, come together and like say this is not okay, this is unjust and this has to stop. Inside our homes, behind a computer screen, on our phone, we can't scream, we can't do anything. When we come together, when there's a platform for us to come and talk and, you know, pour our hearts out and say we demand justice, we deserve justice, and you know Palestine lives deserve justice and the genocide needs to stop. I feel like protests really give people a platform to come together and say, oh, there are so many other people who also care about this, and you know, hopefully on a larger scale that is heard and something happens.
Trying to do what our media should be doing, which is to inform the public of what is really happening in Gaza and to also reduce the kind of hatred that is being generated by the media, or to counter that kind of hatred, the Islamophobia that is being spread throughout our society and throughout the world. And I think our Indian society is complicit in the kind of Islamophobia being spread all across the world, and we need to watch out for that. So since the mass media is not doing that, it's doing the opposite, it's important for people like me to come out and talk to people and through songs express our emotions, our concern, our humanity for the Palestinian people who are being killed.
We see that, you know, it has been years, 70 years since then, where the people have been butchered, where people have been massacred, children have been torn off their, you know, mother's womb. So it was in the solidarity with the Gazan people and the Palestinian resistance that we are here today at the Freedom Park.
On the narrative that pro-Palestinian people are anti-national, the protesters said that holding Palestinian flags implies that they stand by the people who are suffering and in support of justice.
Then when Modi stands with Trump, why is there an American flag behind them? Flags are nothing but shrouds in which, this is Arundhati Roy who says this, in which our consciousness is wrapped up. You know, we have to stop seeing the flag as a flag of Palestine. We have to remember what this is. A flag is a flag of liberation. A liberation for all people who are suffering under colonialism, imperialism, settler colonialism and apartheid. This is our fundamental quest to end apartheid, to end all forms of colonialism and imperialism. That is what this flag represents.
I think people of our country have the right to show solidarity for people who are being targeted, children who are being killed. And if we hold the Palestinian flag, it doesn't mean that we disrespect the Indian flag. What we mean is that we are in support of people who are suffering and for justice. That's what our holding of the Palestinian flag signifies. So I don't think we should be taken as anti-national. In fact, we should be taken as pro-national because Indian government, even now on paper, is for Palestine. So we are more nationalistic than anybody else. Indians मांगते सो लड्डू में प्यार की, लैब से आएगा घी का गारंटी, अरे लैब से आएगा घी का गारंटी, लेकिन दिखता न को कैसे चलती सो, अरे दिखता न को कैसे चलती सो, पैलेस्टीनियों के खून से ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी. तो कोविड आके निकल गया, बट देयर इज अनदर एक बड़ी बीमारी है, उससे भी खतरनाक, कॉल्ड इस्लामोफोबिया. वो कैसे फैलती है? मोदी मीडिया, थ्रू टीवी एंड थ्रू व्हाट्सएप. इंसान नहीं दिखता, सिर्फ आतंकवाद, जेनोसाइड नहीं दिखता है जिहाद इंसान नहीं दिखता, सिर्फ आतंकवाद जेनोसाइड नहीं। दिखता है जिहाद सबको टीवी देख के लगी नफरत की चर्बी, अरे टीवी देख के लगी नफरत की चर्बी। झूठ से मोटे हुए मुर्गा और मुर्गी। अमेरिका 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 वार 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 वार